In today's video, I'm going to show you how to brighten a video in DaVinci Resolve in a simple, fast, and beginner-friendly way. If your footage looks too dark, flat, or underexposed, this method will help you bring back detail and improve the overall look without ruining the colors. We'll use the color page and the primary wheels, so you can make precise brightness adjustments exactly where you need them. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right into it. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and look at the bottom of the interface. You'll see several page icons, and you want to click the color page icon, which looks like a color wheel. This takes you into the color grading workspace, where all the main brightness and color tools are located. Once you're on the color page, look for the primary wheels section. Here, you'll see the four main controls labeled lift, gamma, gain, and offset. These are the core tools you'll use to adjust the brightness of your video. Under each wheel, there is a horizontal gray bar. These are the master wheel sliders, and they give you an easy way to change brightness without shifting the hue too much. That means you can brighten your clip while keeping the colors natural. To start, go to the offset wheel and find the master slider underneath it. Click and drag that slider to the right. As you move it to the right, the overall brightness of the image increases. This is a great first step if your entire clip is too dark, because it raises the image evenly. Since you're using the master slider, you're adjusting brightness rather than pushing the image toward a weird color tint. Take a moment to watch the viewer as you drag the control. Try to brighten the image just enough so you can see more detail without washing it out. If you push it too far, the image can start to look overexposed, so small adjustments are usually the best approach. Next, if your video still needs more brightness, move down to the gain wheel. The gain control is especially useful for brightening the highlights of your footage. This means it affects the lighter parts of the image, like bright reflections, skies, or illuminated areas in the scene. Use the master slider under gain and drag it slightly to the right to bring more life into the highlights. This can make the video feel more open and clear, especially if the bright areas were looking dull or muted. Again, make subtle changes and watch the image carefully. Too much gain can make highlights look harsh, so the goal is to enhance them, not overpower them. After that, if the center of the image still looks too dark, use the gamma wheel. The gamma adjustment is great for lifting the midtones, which are the middle brightness values in your clip. This is often the area where faces, clothing, and most of the important visual detail live. By moving the master slider under gamma to the right, you can brighten the midtones and make the video look more balanced. This is especially helpful when the footage has decent highlights, but the main subject still appears too shadowy or underlit. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune all three adjustments together. Start with offset for the overall brightness, use gain for the highlights, and use gamma for the midtones. That combination gives you a much more natural and controlled result than simply cranking up one setting too high. And that's really the key to brightening video in DaVinci Resolve the right way. Work in layers, make small adjustments, and keep checking the image as you go. Once your footage looks bright enough and still natural, you're done. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more beginner editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.